Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So, late, late, not on time, arriving after the time you're supposed to be there. She thinks you are late. Yeah. Why are you always late to the party? Did you know that those letters arrived late? Those letters are late. They aren't supposed to be late. They aren't supposed to be late, but they are. Yeah. I thought she would be late. She is arriving late. No way am I going to be late. Yeah. I won't be late again. No way. No way. I'm not going to be late, and you should not be late too. Yeah, you should not be late too. Yeah. No way. Yeah. So because you see, when you are late, when you're late once, you might be late again in the future. The future. Being late is not a good habit to have. No way. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, late. So, can you use late in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.